What's going on, guys? Eric here with Enjuku Racing. I'm here today to show you our newest build. It's our first BMW build. Let's dig into it. It's a 408 LS, so 6.7 liter. It's made about 480 horsepower to wheels, so it's too shabby. 460 foot-pounds. It has a TKX 5-speed transmission, and it's the all-new ISR swap kit. Headers, trans mount, motor mount, Y pipe, drive shaft adapter, everything included. Makes putting a GM motor in here super easy. So the whole car is powered by Haltech. We have the Haltech Rebel to power the engine, and then we have the Haltech PD16 to control the whole chassis. Right here we have the Deechworks fuel system. We've got the fuel rails, fuel pressure regulator, all the way back to the surge tank, all the fuel pumps, all the PTFE lines. They got us all set up. We have our BTR Trinity intake manifold and valve covers for high lift cam. They look pretty good. They match the theme of the car. We went a little above and beyond with making some custom bits, an overflow, stiffen up the chassis a little bit. So if you know BMWs, they're kind of weak. So anywhere that you can reinforce, do it. It's not an M3, it's an U, as everyone does on their fake M3s. But we'll look at the interior on this thing. So we tried to go a little nicer with this thing. Painted jams, do the two-tone door, gray interior, red outside. Trying to keep like street car vibes with it.
Let's see if we can get that cage fitment.
So this is our first cage that we've scanned the car and built the cage in the computer, then bent it up. Our Dragon and our Greg.
What's up, Greg?
Of course, we got all our safety stuff. We got our fire extinguisher. We got our cage pad. We got all our harnesses.
It's fucking hot as fuck.
109. Florida sucks. We're here in the interior now. We have our Haltech IC7 dash and our 8-button pin pad, keypad. What the fuck is it called? I gotta look it up now. So yeah, this thing's super cool. It allows us to do all the functions we need. Like I said, low beam, high beam, wipers, the cabin light. We got a stage light for like a higher idle, higher RPM, some ignorant stuff, and then a rotating idle. So the thing we didn't put in was turn signals because it's a BMW and no one uses them anyways. Like I was saying, this is the Like I was saying, this is the TKX 5-speed transmissions. We also offer the T36 6-speed from Silver Sport Transmissions. These are supposed to hold a decent amount of power. It should be fine for this car. I believe it's 600 foot-pounds. Same with the T56. So they're pretty stout. And then this one is the same dimensions as a dog box. So if you ever want to upgrade, you could still use your ISR crossmember. So these are our custom team steering wheels from Grip Royal. Got all our sponsors here. Nice suede with red stitching. I think we have a red one. I don't know what else we got. We also have one with gold stitching for Jam's car, since his car's gold. And then Adele's car is gonna be secret.
Good combo.
It's a formula. This one we didn't do a fade, because I don't know how to paint.
Says he doesn't know how to paint. Yeah, the car's pretty basic of a build, I would say.
We just tried to work out all the details, focus on details rather. As we have a cup holder, because you always gotta have a nice cold water.
So something I wanted to say is that, like, Eric keeps saying we. He keeps saying, like, we did this and we did that. And this is all him.
All right, we did a lot of stuff on this.
Yes.
Yeah, this car is basically a demo car. Debuting the ISR swap kit, taking it through tests, making sure it's good for you guys. So far, it's been great. We're gonna go testing this weekend. y'all know when Ron's gonna make this video.
Damn, Ron.
Probably be a couple months.
Fuck you, Eric.
But yeah, got the sick Circuit Performance chromies.
Man, we have been loving these things. They're on so many cars here right now.
Everyone has a set.
Yeah,
It's so cool.
they really are.
Definitely one of the better chrome wheels out.
Yeah, good sizing too. What are they in the rear? 18, 9.5,
Plus 22, I think.
plus 22. And the fronts are by 9s.
I think 17. Of course, we had to go with BC Racing, the best in the business. They are the basic setup, the BR, and that'll be fine for the grassroots driving this car will do. And then that rolls right into the front suspension, which we have the YSFAB narrow kit. And then the rear is all YSFAB as well. But we do have a pretty fancy diff in here. Winner's quick change, just because we had it laying around and the stock diff probably wouldn't hold up to all this power. But we also have the excess power battery. Great batteries, last forever, ton of power.
Isn't there someone here that's got like a 10-year-old one? An XS?
Most of the race cars have them and they just last forever. Like the one in the Z is probably 6 years old now. Just solid. And our buddy Dylan over at Ultimate Powder Coating went above and beyond for us. Powder coat everything we needed. Cup holders, shifter bezel, our floor plates. It's got a nice, I guess, speaker deck delete. And our surge tank cover. And I'm sure a bunch of little bits here and there, but he does some good work. All right, guys, thanks for watching us go through this build with you. Stay tuned for more updates. We're going to do a deeper dive into this car in the future. I know Ron has a couple of questions for me. You guys feel free to leave some questions in the comments, but we're going to leave you with some footage of us driving the car. So, thanks for watching.
What's up, guys? Andrew's here. You just gotta talk about
YouTube? This is your boy, Fatty Fat Fatterson.
No,
not.
Oh, but
No, just...